Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Lanai community located in the city of St. John's within St. John's County. This community is being developed by Pulte Homes. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Coral Grand. This floor plan features 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, a 2-car garage, and has approximately 2,818 square feet to just about 2,942 square feet. Now, if you're new to this channel, my name is Charlie Flores, and I do feature new construction videos here in the Northeast Florida area. If you're interested in purchasing a new home, whether it's to build or a home that's already built, I'd love to assist you in the purchase process and walk you through the new construction process. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email if you'd like to connect. Very important that you do reach out to me before visiting any builders, as builders do require your agent be present at your first visit. All right, now enough about me. Let's continue the tour. Over here to the right, we have bedroom 2. This room features 2 windows, so lots of natural light coming in. This bedroom is 11 feet with 9 inches by 11 feet 9 inches to give you an idea of the dimensions. Here we have the closet. Continuing our tour, we have bathroom 2 over here. This is a full bath. You're gonna have a shower tub combo, and then you have the option of a walk-in shower, as you see here in this model. Now here at the Landings, you do have the option of purchasing a home that's under construction or already built, or you have the option to build from ground up, personalizing your home, choosing different features from countertops to flooring. This is a flex room. There is an option to add double doors, so you can have an enclosed study. This flex room is about 12 feet by 11 feet 9 inches. And this floor plan is built on a 50-foot home site. You're gonna have 9-foot ceilings as standard. We're going to continue our tour across from the flex room into the laundry room. Now the Landings is a natural gas community, so you're going to have the option of connecting a gas dryer or an electric dryer. And that'll be the same for the kitchen as well. If you prefer an electric cooktop or range or a natural gas. Here is a storage closet. And this door over here to the right is the garage entry. Now before we go upstairs, let's finish our tour over here, and we're walking into the living room. This floor plan features the extended gathering room. So this is a large room size. This space is about 12 feet with 6 inches by 28 feet, 7 inches. And then over here we have the cafe. And right behind me is the kitchen. Now this floor plan features the gourmet style kitchen, where you're gonna have the microwave oven combo, and then your cooktop and a designer vent. Here's the pantry. All right, before we take a look at the owner suite, let's take a look at the Lanai. All right, so you have a large Lanai. This is the extended Lanai that happens when the extended gathering room or living room is chosen as a structural option. And the Landings does offer home sites that back up to a water view, or if you prefer natural conservation, you're going to have a home that backs up to a wooded area. All right, we're going to take a look at the owner's suite and then we'll head upstairs. All right, and this owner's suite is about 14 feet by 16 feet. You have some natural light coming in to these windows. And now we're walking into the owner's bath. Walk-in shower over here. Okay, and then you have the water closet. Linen closet. And the most important, the walk-in closet. Here's another view of the shower. Transom window there. All right, let's take a look upstairs. So you have the wood stairs. Now this can be customized when you're building from the ground up. So if you prefer carpeted stairs. If you're looking for a move-in ready home, let me know as well, and I'd be happy to share the most current inventory. Okay, here we have the loft. There's a great space for a game room or media room. This space is about 17 feet with 5 inches by 18 feet, 8 inches. Okay, linen closet. You could store the games, some blankets. All right, and we have 2 more bedrooms over here. This is the mechanical room, so that's where you're going to have the HVACs or the air handlers. Okay, here we are entering another bedroom. Okay, this is bedroom 4, which is 12 feet, 3 inches by 11 feet, 9 inches. Okay, have a walk-in closet here. All right, in between the bedrooms, there is a bathroom. Okay, this is a shower tub combo. And then we have the last bedroom, bedroom 5. This is open to the downstairs. Okay, so bedroom 5 here with 2 windows, good natural light. This bedroom is about 11 feet 9 inches by 11 feet 9 inches. That's just to give you an idea of the dimensions. See if the space meets your needs. All right, and then we come back out over here to the loft. If you'd like more information on the Landings community or looking to move to the Northeast Florida area, I'd love to connect. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.